It's always crazy to see how well this stuff cleans up for being 20 years old. I even went a little overboard on some of these parts. Cleaned up all of the casting marks on the Kickstarter knuckle. Smoothed out the heads of the axles. Cleaned that up with a flap wheel. Got that looking nice and sharp. So just like the spokes, I used these two wheels here. Use the rough wheel for the majority of the bolts to knock off that rust, the corrosion, and the zinc plating, and the finer wheel for the threads and the final finish. You guys gotta check these things out. It's unbelievable how well they cleaned up. Wish I could just leave them like that. They would just rust right away though. So I'm gonna have the spokes themselves zinc plated. I'm gonna leave the nipples just how they are, bare aluminum. They'll be fine. Now, just like anodizing, the surface underneath matters a whole lot. It determines the finish and the quality of the zinc. That's why I spent the time and brushed these up, got them looking good.